Hey everyone, I'm Chris with Bestcovery, and I'm excited to bring our latest product unboxing today. If you're new to the channel, we give our unbiased reviews and unboxings of products to help you decide which ones are worth purchasing. And so today, I'll be reviewing the Oral Essentials from Lumineux and talking about what I like about it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm really excited about this box because it feels kind of like a gift box to my smile. So, and if you're like me, you kind of need a little bit of that help. You know, I'm pretty good about brushing my teeth, but I think this is going to really take it to the next level. So, this right here is just kind of like your standard toothbrush that it comes with. It does have soft bristles, and I really love the wooden handle on this guy. Bristles are keeping it stuck in there. There we go, nice little wooden handle. I actually really like how this feels. It feels kind of rustic and lovely, and the soft bristles, I mean, gotta do it that way. So it's a toothbrush, not a lot more to say, but the stuff that I'm excited about is here. So I have the toothpaste, and one of the things I noticed right away, other than that it says woohoo on the tabs, which is cute, the products from Lumineux have a lot of healthy, like good ingredients that you'll recognize. So if you look at the labels on any of these, you're not going to be scared off by any like 20-syllable chemicals or anything. So I love that about this, and this toothpaste tube is super cute. And if you're like me, you like something like this that's a little bit more of kind of this squeeze bottle, so it's going to be very easy to get every last drop out of it. So core staple of your teeth whitening routine, I think, will be this cute little toothpaste. So I'm a fan of that. The stuff I'm the most excited about, though, let me tell you, is the Whitening Strips. So this one is really cool because the first thing that I noticed and that I just know about teeth whitening is that most of the products out there use peroxide, and peroxide is like very bad for your gums and can damage your gums, and there can be an enamel damage with some of the chemical contact and stuff. But this is certified non-toxic, and it's made with all kinds of stuff that is not going to hurt you at all. So this little box comes with 14 strips, which gives you a total of 7 treatments, you know, 1 for top and bottom. And yeah, it's not a lot in terms of packaging or anything. It's very simple, but you can just open the plastic and you've got all of your teeth whitening stuff inside. So these are great because they come with instructions and they're individually packaged. So if you need to like start your routine, you know, and then travel or anything like that, it's good to go. So I don't know, I love this. It's very, very straightforward. So that's the Whitening Strips. The other one that I'm really excited about, and I love this packaging, I've taken off some of the plastic already so you don't have to watch me struggle, is the Lumineux Bright Pen. So this one is really cool because if you're like me, you can't help yourself to a glass of wine or a cup of coffee here and there, and we all know what that does to our teeth. It's not good. So this guy right here opens up like a fancy little pen, which is really cool, has your instructions right on it. Basically, you just take this little guy right here and you pop the cap off, and it's a little like paintbrush applicator. It's kind of similar to like how a bleach pen works or something like that, but it's for your teeth and it's non-toxic. So very easy and convenient to use. If you are a user of purses, you could just stash this in your purse or in your pocket. If you're a user of pockets, you know, that's fine. And what I love about this is that you put this on your teeth, you just paint it right on, and then you let it dry, and then 30 minutes later, your teeth are basically coated and protected and good to go. So you can have yourself whatever drinks or other things you want without worrying about it staining. So really awesome product, because I think prevention is such an essential part of tooth care rather than simply just trying to erase some of the stains. So love that on the Bright Pen. And then the last one I'm really excited about is the Whitening Mouthwash. So for me, I don't really feel like I've properly brushed my teeth until I have done a proper mouthwash. This one is made of, again, of like all of the same sorts of ingredients that these are. This is also certified non-toxic. Again, there's a lot of peroxides or other things that are kind of harsh or perhaps dangerous if you swallow them with oral care products. But this one I feel very comfortable with, and best of all, it smells quite nice. So if you open this up, it smells very like wintergreeny. There's like a slight saltiness to it because there's Dead Sea salt in it. Yeah, for me, I love this. So I'm very excited to try this out. I think this one will probably be my favorite because I just love the mouthwash feel, but I love it without kind of the acrid alcoholicness to it. So for me, I'm excited about this, but yeah, that's kind of the whole package right there is kind of your whole kit if you want to start taking better care of your teeth and having a brighter smile. So I'm very excited to try this out. I think it's going to be an amazing product. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest reviews. And if you have any products you would like us to review, please comment below. If you like the Lumineux Oral Essentials and want more information, go ahead and click the link in the description. And as always, discover the best with Bestcovery.